Hello viewers, this is Mithun here. In this module, I'm going to cover SQL data types. There are basically 7 categories into this various kind of data types. So we'll be seeing exact numerics, which is 3.1 today. Within this exact numerics, there are 4 types of data types, which is integer, decimal or numeric, money, boolean. So let's see one by one. First one is the display the integer values. Now, before we start on to this data types, we want to just briefly understand like why do we use these data types in SQLServer, right? There are two purposes. To store some intermediate values into the variables, we need to use a particular data type so that it can hold the data within a specific byte size in the memory, right? So that it can hold the values and then it can be consumed later on and the benefit of it. And the second type is like the table in which like it occupies the size. So according to that, it will occupy the size, the physical memory, physical storage. It will occupy the size of the memory. Now let us start on to this four different types: the tiny int, small int, and big int. Now, tiny int represents the 1 byte size. It has the range starting from 0 to 225, which is like the fixed digits. This much range, within that only you can assign the values to this variable for this type. Then there is small int. Small int is of 2 byte size, which has the range from 3 to 768 minus 2, 3 to 767. Same way, integer 4 byte size, which has the range. Same way, there is a big int, it has the 8 byte size, which is a little more higher number. It can give us more space to store the larger numbers. Now, this is all that we done is called a variable declaration. Now, after we declare these variables, we need to have the values assigned to them, right? So that it can be displayed or it can be consumed later part in the process. Now, with the assignment, I am just using all the minimum range